Okay guys, I'm gonna start here in the front. This is the end of the closet. Over here in the back of the door I hang some ropes, then like that. This is a little mat that go inside in the drawer, like right here, something like this that go inside of the drawer, so I had to put it on. So we start here in this part. This is what it looks like. This is the IKEA PAX system. This is my husband's size, so he decided just to do this kind of racks like those. He didn't want this set, so but I want this one, so over here in the back I have all the shoes. Boots. I have in this corner, which I could fit probably another small size for the IKEA closet, but it probably wouldn't be able, it would be hard for me to have access to the shoes in the corner. But I have here this nice storage, acrylic storage bin, and I put here all my Jo Malone stuff. You can see everything here is everything Jo Malone, and those, and a few empty boxes up there. Has some of my scarf, and this is the shoes, the boots. I really want to find, I had to buy in Amazon one of those boot shapers, and you're able to hang them too, so I can hang it from there. And this is what it is. This is what it look like. Nothing big, it's not big deal, but I mean it's a big deal for me because I always dream we have my little closet area, and I finally in this house I got this, which I never had something like that before, and I'm very, very happy about it, and I love it. So I have 6 sets, like the side of the system, 6 of them. Fit perfect in there, and this is what my side of the closet look like. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if it's anything that you would like to see in more details, or anything that you would like me to talk about. I will be more than happy to do so. Okay, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and I see you soon. Bye.